Tell me about it.
Before Christmas break, I watched The Baby every other week.
You did?
Yes.
And how does it make you feel?
On.
It is. How does it make you feel?
I love watching The Baby.
She loves it.
I love it.
And now.
Hey guys, it's Chels. Welcome back to another video. I'm doing a room tour today. A lot of my people who follow me on Instagram and Twitter and everything know that I recently moved to Georgia, Marietta, Georgia to be exact. This video is about my entire room, what I've done to the place, so I would love to show you guys around. I wanted to say that this video is sponsored by Lowell mattresses. I've been following them for a while and I've seen some of my favorite celebrities get their mattress from them, so I was like, yo, I really want to get a mattress by them. So it's an honor to work with them and also talk about all the things that I have purchased for my room. So before I go into the room tour, I wanted to unbox my new mattress, which is a twin size, which is kind of new to me because I've always been on a full or queen size bed. I'm actually a couple days before I'm actually going to film my room tour. I'm just going to pull this baby out and lay her down. Very unique that the entire mattress just comes in a box like this. And I have been waiting for this mattress to come in the mail, and Nick and I, my boyfriend and I, were actually eating dinner tonight and it came in the mail and we're like, alright, we're gonna film this video right away. Guest appearance because I can't do this by myself.
Hopefully I can. Okay.
Whew. There we go.
It's like Christmas morning for Chelsea. Do a little bit of adjusting.
So we got it unboxed. Super, super, super soft. And it's gonna be a transition from going from like a bigger mattress slash bed to a tinier one, but I think it'll make it quite easier now that I have like a soft mattress. So thank you all for providing this mattress, and now I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go on into the entire room tour.
When I open my eyes, you are.
So, welcome to my crib. This is the overview that you see right when you walk in. I love absolutely everything in my room. I would recommend pausing the video right now and reading this sign because I absolutely love it and it is so true. And right underneath my poster, I have a little storage container thing that are woven into baskets. I got this from TJ Maxx. It just stores various makeup items of mine, like my lipstick, deodorant, all that sort of stuff. I love it. Comes in handy. This is my dresser that I have in my closet. I love it because it's from IKEA. It contains most of my clothes besides all of my regular t-shirts and plaid shirts and sweaters that I hang above. And then amongst my dresser on the top, I have my jewelry, a picture of my siblings and I, and then my hats and my socks. I love my dresser, although it has an issue. It doesn't completely fit in my closet. We didn't really do the research too much, but if I slide it one way, the drawer comes out, so that's good. I just have to slide it, which way it needs to go, and then I can get my clothes out. Moving along, I have my nightstand, which has various things on top. Nick made me some amazing candles. They smell so good, and he got me those for Christmas. And then I have an alarm clock from Target, and then I have various books that are underneath my nightstand. He also made me this sign that is absolutely amazing, and I love it so much. As for my bed, you guys know that my mattress came from Lowell, but I have been sleeping on it for about 2 weeks now, and I feel like a baby going to sleep and waking up every night. It's very hard to get out of my bed. And everything amongst my bed, on top of it, is from Target. My lamp and my ottoman is from Target as well. And here's a little overview, as well as an overview of my desk, which I got from IKEA, and my various candles are from Target, besides the one that I got from Nick, because he made that, and it smells amazing, and I have no clue how he made a candle, but he did a very great job at it, and I got it for Christmas, and I love it. And my hamper is also from Target, my boots are from Target. I pretty much am a walking ad for Target. In closing, this is my Bose speaker, my salt lock ramp, and my coat is hanging on this little hanger thing. For your viewing pleasure, here's another overview, and bam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to tell me in the comments, and let me know where you guys live, because I'm curious as to if you guys live in Georgia or Alabama or Florida, because I'd love to do some sort of meetup, maybe at a bookstore, since I have my book that's out. And if you guys have gotten it lately, maybe shoot me a message or something. I've had a lot of Instagram comments and tweets and everything from you guys just saying how it's encouraged you, so that's been really just uplifting for me to hear, so I appreciate those messages. So thank you guys for sending those to me. So let me know where you're from. Also, like this video for more videos like this. I really need to start filming more now that I'm actually moved in and I can start filming more. It feels really good. Like, I feel like I'm finally moved in and I'm finally like at home, and it feels homey because I just finished my room today/yesterday. So it's crazy, it's real, like I'm here, it's happening. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on my social media and in my next video. Deuces.
This is home.